Hi, boys and girls. I might have to record it because my mom's on the phone. She tends to yell. Okay. Hi, boys and girls. This is Uni. Uncle Al's going to go over some stuff because a lot of people drive Uncle Al crazy, especially today when he taught a class on EP, Emergency Preparedness. Thank you, Uni. First things off, big shout out to Just-in-Time Prepping. Tomorrow he's doing Just-in-Time Networking. Please check out local times for his channel. We had a good one this morning. And please check out these folks right here. Don't forget our friend Coursera Trainer. Go check out his channel. Gotta do this quick because it's going to be another strange video. And I'm getting tired. This is why Uncle Al's going to die soon. Why I write everything down because everybody's driving Uncle Al's crazy. Okay, Jordan Jakenberg has a wonderful stream this morning. Please check out his channel. Check out all these people, okay, including Detroit Prepping. If you're a big organization, please back Detroit Prepping for House Representatives. Jordan Jakenberg up here does a live stream. Check what time he comes on, and you know the rest of the people here. Okay? Oh, Lord. Let's do something simple. Again, with the prepping, this is for Becky Styles. You've seen her name before. And then I got all this right down here. Okay, hope you can see that clearly. And remember, 12 gallons, 3 days, 4 people. Simple as pie. Don't forget to check out all these channels right here. Okay, they're great channels. I do recommend it. I do recommend these channels too. These are my ration people. The first ration is years gone by. If you can, please help out these people right here. We got clothes covered, so let's mark that off. Okay, so we got that taken care of. We got gear still, and we got cash we have to do. We need 500 supporters for AK Fab. We need 500 supporters for Cheryl Hirsch. And if possible, anybody has a car they're going to donate, please donate Cheryl Hirsch. I might have to redo this because my mom's on the phone screaming at my aunt. Okay, and make sure you check all these people out. Now let's see, check out Will Patriot and with Prepping and all these folks right down the line. Okay. Now, we got about 2 things, I think, as asymmetrical preparedness did, about 3 disasters also. Tyler from Let's Talk About Prepping and Palmetto. And you know all these people, including Reed's of Manifestation of Imagination and DUI Solar and Urban Grandpa. Everybody here, okay? Now, just in case I miss a few people, these people I missed because YouTube screwed up their connections with us. So please check them out, all right? See that? That's how many weeks I missed these folks. So I'm playing catch up today. And hello to my friends who are new. Welcome aboard of Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. I may have a lab coat, I may have a top hat and goggles, I may be crazy. That's fine. when I see survival books like these, okay, this is a homesteader, okay? And I trust Len because I know him and he writes great books, but the title was a joke, but if you get rid of that word right there, it's just self-reliance. Great, but it won't sell because people are going into this kind of wacko stuff. My other favorite is this one, little pocket survival book. It's plain and simple, ultimate guide for you can slip in your backpack and stuff. Simple as pie, okay? And it's written by a guy, James J. Wayne Fears, experienced survival expert, survivor, and also search and rescue official. Okay, and he used to work for the military and the government. So I trust him. Easy as pie, not that thick. Easy. Sorry, kids. We're at the 6-minute mark. And I do some fun stuff. I'm gone, a little ill, a little tired. I got to go see the doctor again tomorrow. Whew. For 2 reasons. I was weeding in my not my garden, my family's garden. And it's about an acre, and I provide food for about 5 families and the mission and a few other people. Uncle Alan's tired. So, yes, they found me passed out there in the weeds, and I'm hoeing, and I had nosebleed and stuff like that. I explained that on Jordan's live stream. I'm tough, I'm old, don't call the ambulance. It costs like $5,000 from our property out there to the hospital. So I finished my work. I got a phone call from my doctor, mad as hell. They told me I'm not supposed to do stuff like that anymore. I don't care. I got a lot of things I got to do. Now today I taught a class for Generation Y and Z, and it was a church thing, okay, a little class. They paid me and everything. I need to get paid more because you would not believe how stupid these people are. This is Generation Y and Z, and Generation X kind of dropped the ball on this. Okay, they were asking me if I could teach them emergency preparedness class. I told them fine. Okay, this is for Generation Y and Z. They're about from before 30 and about 14 or 15. That's Generation Y and Z. Okay? Now, this kind of shocked me because I have a few things here. We went over a basic earthquake kit or disaster kit for our area. And it's fairly simple and fairly easy. Oh, Lord, that gave me such a headache. I should have took their phones away. They come walking into the church meeting room. I have whiteboard and everything. I explained that they came in with smartphones. Smartphones, they drive me nuts. And I'm looking at them like, do you understand why you're here? Or why your parents sent you here? No, gave me a stupid answer back, but that's another matter. So anyway, first thing I got to show you, they kind of freaked out. There's a simple pair of, you can find these anywhere, gas station. Found this at a yard sale, got a real good cheap price on it. And it's basically a simple pair of cotton utility gloves. Now, last time I sent this one out was to LA Prepper. Again, had no idea because he fits in Generation Y's group. Okay, simple, all-purpose, simple white cotton gloves. Now, in Japan, they had the same problem. Everybody wore this still in the military, civilian life. Everybody wore white cotton gloves. My class thought we were cosplaying for Mickey Mouse. Cosplaying, seriously. And then when I showed them rope, they have no idea why an emergency kit needs rope. Okay, it's rope, kids. A lot of preppers and survivalists and wannabes, they all skip this. All right, this is about 50 feet, about 15.2 meters. Okay, it has weight resistance about 140 pounds. This will help it, but a lot of people still don't get it, which drives me nuts. Worst thing I saw in the class was this. Now, all of us recognize what's this. And I got half my class answered back blue sheets. I'm kind of looking at them. I'll show you, turn it around. And we all know this, okay? They were punching in the little phones, the smartphones, on blue sheets. And I kind of told them, I showed them, it's a tarp. And they're still wondering, why is it in an emergency kit or emergency preparedness kit? And they're kind of looking at me like, huh? Okay, now, let's get back to my list. Gloves, had no idea what to use for. Rope, they thought it was a bondage thing. Tarp, a guy from UCLA told me it was blue sheets, and this guy was I think, second year medical student. I have no idea. I showed them a towel in the kit, and they look at me like, huh? A simple multi-tool knife. This army knife. I don't think I got one before. No. Well, maybe this one, but it's broken. Like something like this. Or like this. They had no idea what that was for. Wet wipes and toilet tablets, the toilet paper tablets. One of my students tried to eat one, which totally whacked me out. Okay, and they had no idea how to use a toilet bag or a first aid kit. All right, simple stuff we know, but this was a group of 20-year-olds, 18-year-olds, 16-year-olds, and 14-year-olds had no idea what I was talking about. Okay, they just look at me like, okay, this old guy is crazy, and he's writing this down, and we see the box. And I told him, you don't have to spend that much money on Walmart or Amazon or stuff. It's simple, basic things. We know it, they don't know it. Had no idea. Now the worst one was, because this is an emergency preparedness kit for California, they had no idea why you needed a helmet and headlamp. And I put that off to the side and I explained to them, in Japan everybody has a helmet. And they were wondering, are they going to war? Are they going to a riot? And I kind of looked at them like, no, because when you get hit in the head with a cinder block, you die. And they say, who threw the cinder block? Earthquake? And they were asking, who was Earthquake? And they were punching away on their smartphone. Same thing goes when tornado, hurricane, what's it called? Wildfire, earthquake. What do you have on your head? It's not a hat. Okay, I might have to do this video again. My mom's screaming on the phone. Is a headlamp and helmet. Smart, okay? And I have to do a shout out to Dominic Minish. I can't pronounce it. I got to do a video on it. Dominic Minishita. 199 videos. Please check them out. Okay. Had no idea what it was for, so I had to put it on the side and give a good explanation later. Now, a lot of people were freaking out because we had another power blackout and another blue corridor. And I said, this is my blackout kit. Nothing expensive. And a lot of them were like, but Uncle Alan, we have these super tactical flashlights that bring down a skyscraper. Okay, I know the batteries are weak, that's why you can see it. Normally this white out and the camera don't work. And I told him, it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. This one isn't charged, it's about 40 bucks. And I'm looking out, how you need a flashlight like this? Me, I can understand. Them, you don't really need it. And it's like $40 for a high-tech piece of... Okay, now let's see what's in the bag again. I gave some of these to AK Fab. Okay, part of gear system. Candles for light and heat. A lighter. Still don't, a lot of people didn't get it. I don't smoke, Mr. Sato. I'm looking at them like it's not for smoking. You light things with it. I wonder how come whatchamacallit, Hubble's cat doesn't run into this problem when he's teaching class. And then this one. Okay, simple light stick. Headlamp. Now I do put a piece of rubber band on it so don't turn on. I got this free. Now I gave 2 to Cheryl and Angel because they live in a crappy area of Missouri. So this helps. See how bright this thing is? It's a lamp. Now I know Dominic did one, I did one. This is cheap. And it's Lumineer lantern. It's a knockoff from the good one. But the nice thing is, it's a lantern. And I got this one free also, because it was a customer and I had to go over there. See how bright that is? Now, I've seen people, this one's free, they're nagging and complaining because they had to buy something like this. All right? On Amazon or something else, but that one's an old one. So anyway, kids, I'm a little tired. And when I have to go over this stuff, this is simple, basic stuff. Doesn't cost too much. All this stuff right here in my little bag, under $5. Okay? Simple. Now I look at people when they get confused with gloves and rope. It gets a little ridiculous. So I have to end it here because it is running long. Yeah, Uncle Al, it's like your class this morning. They won't understand like hell. And they wanted their phones back too after you got really mad. I told them give me $100. Nobody had cash. Catch you later, kids.